Hello people. So you know what? As of yesterday, I was just like thoda sa wasting time. No, not wasting time, yeah. Like I saw this film called Hasina Dil Ruba, which was released on Netflix, and I am still wondering, यार मैंने क्या किया? Like why on earth? Because no, you know, like see, yeah, no, see, while I'm making the video, I'm thinking, okay, yeah, people will be watching who might get hurt because you know a lot of effort goes into making a film and all of that. But here, when a film is made, first people should look at it whether it adheres to logic. Without logic, जब films get made, they are like such a washout. Yeah, I mean, no, the funda is. I'll say this, you know, in to the credit of the writer of the film, there is a certain amount of suspense of the film that is kept till the end. But in the end, when that suspense is revealed, it is so bizarre that you're like, Bhagwan Bachao type. I mean, I don't want to even mention it here because it will kind of spoil the film. But I mean, you know, like the that the logic of the film है ही नहीं. Like you know, okay, so I'm going on. Let me say this. This film is much like the trailer shows. It stars Tapsi Pannu, Vikrant Masse, and a host of others. And basically, Tapsi Pannu is being implicated in the murder of her husband because he dies in this blast, you know. And all through the film, we feel bad for her, but it looks like she's hiding something, and we, as an audience, we don't know what. So basically, in that blast, they find the hand of her husband, the guy Vikrant Masi, with her tattooed name. So that's how they decide that the body is his, you know. But last scene में पता चलता है कि this the husband kills there was a cousin with whom she had like an affair. He kills him, but to show that that body is of the cousins, this man, जीता जागता आदमी, gets Tapsi Pannu herself, or basically he himself chops his hand and leaves it there next to the body, and that's how the police decide that this body and the hand are the same. But as if that cousin's family will not want to know कि इस cousin का क्या हुआ. I mean, what is that story? Yeah, like seriously. So I don't know. Normally I give glowing reviews, but I cannot. So Hasina Dil Ruba, go and try and watch it if you are like totally fed up with life, because watching this film will make you fed up with life. So that's all I have to say. And I mean, like in terms of Tapsi Pannu, Vikrant Masi, they all try to do their best, and it's been shot in Rishikesh and Varanasi, so it's very beautiful. So yeah, these are the redeeming features of this story with no dimag. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.